my gosh!
It's like, there's a scary movie about where seagulls just come out of the skies and like peck people.
Well, we're in it.
Look at this guy. Ah! I thought it was coming at me. Now just sit there and poop. What if I go out?
Oh my gosh!
Ah! Oh, they're on top of the car! Oh, now we can't get out. Okay. Look at them all. They're on all the cars. There's...
Look!
Oh, hello. I'm scared.
Look. They're on our car.
I know.
Oh, they think they're pooping.
Okay. Here, turn on the car and I'll throw them out the window.
Or we just park somewhere else. Like that spot that's even closer.
We should... No, we're still... Oh, look, it's a big one.
What?
Right there in front of us.
King Seagull.
I don't like that they're on top of the car. That was not smart. Look at this guy. He looks angry. Give us more chips.
They're on our car.
I know. I'm afraid to get out now.
No, we'll drive somewhere else. Look at it. Look.
He's huge. Oh. This guy, who doesn't want to leave? I gotta...
Look how big. He looks like a freaking... I know. He's big.
Gotta wipe off the camera.
Wow. That one looks weird.
Okay, watch.
No. What are you gonna do? Throw it somewhere else?
I'm gonna throw it out there and see what they do. Okay. Nobody poops. Look at them, they all just freak out. Oh, wow.